darkest night. In the face of challenges and strife, hope gives us the strength to carry on. Hope for a better tomorrow. Believe in the power of dreams. With hope in our hearts, we can overcome anything. The future. The future age. The future age. The future